Guys, there you have it. The bumper is off.
Keep it going, keep going, keep going.
You going?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Hold on. Okay. Alright, look, so. Oh. Pull it out. Yes, no? No. Alright.
Stuck?
Yes, it's stuck.
Oh. Just take off from there.
There's another hose. Why don't you take off this hose?
Nah, take the clamp off that.
Twist it, twist it.
No, just take the clamp off that.
Now pull down. You gotta maneuver it.
I can't see it.
It's stuck.
Yeah, just take the thing off right here.
Alright, go.
Damn, yo, so much hassle.
On a hoist, it's easier.
Yeah, I know.
It's coming.
Oh, came out. Yeah, so that's the thing. We're gonna make the hole right there and put a blow-off valve. Right now, guys, we'll be taking off the injectors, putting new ones in.
So what were the tools you left at the house?
A flathead, a screwdriver, and a ratchet.
Oh, I thought you left like the whole case for it.
No.
You said it.
The man was pissed off. Yo, I left some tools, bro.
I know. What do you mean you left some tools?
The guy left the fucking screwdriver at the ratchet, bro. Jokes.
Send them through mail.
But yo, yet again, these tools are expensive though.
Yeah.
Mr. Brampton, what's going on? Is your car up running?
I don't know.
So do you agree with me? We should buy a Mercedes. It's fuel efficient.
Exactly.
It's German engineering. It's built to last.
Because I can't drive anywhere. But it's parked. It's super fuel efficient.
Exactly.
It's reliable.
I brought needles for
It's not very fast.
I brought needles.
Guys are struggling to take that off. Oh.
Can't drop all the fuel. Can't even drain it.
Oh my.
Well, how am I supposed to drain it, genius?
Yo, just tap it out. Use a hose.
The gas is all gone.
Yeah, it smells like gasoline.
Bro, that hurts
Crazy.
me, yo. 30 cents, maybe 40 cents of gas. Gone.
That's like $1.
US.
Maybe $1.
Yeah, it's like $1.
Okay. Okay, that
No
was...
engine in that car.
Oh.
I didn't have to.
Oh, that's out. Oh, that's out. And my hand's all covered in gas.
Oh, keep going, man.
Wait, why is there a random zip tie right here?
Safety.
What the fuck?
Safety. That's
And the
stone.
fuel rail is out.
And then I would find that we got to that's right there.
I hear the Sea Sky Highway's nice part.
Yeah.
Look at these peanut little things.
I'll take it on bus. That's cute. It's baby food.
Yeah, baby food, yo. Yo, grab the machine, yo. It's a baby food.
Mine like
There you go.
This is what we're replacing right here. We took out these ones, small ones, and now we're replacing the big ones there.
They're all numbered.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
1 to 4?
Wasn't it supposed to be the one is going to be towards the front?
Yeah, probably. Or look at
So
these numbers?
So how does this sit?
Are the old
So
ones
it'd be
numbered?
1, 2, 3, 4, right?
Yeah.
Are the old ones numbered or no?
Well, no, they're numbered by,
Yeah, check the manual right there.
manual don't have shit. See, it says 15 on here.
Oh, it's not. I think it's a number.
This one says 13.
Oh shit.
So I don't think it matters then.
It's like
Let's
13.
go ask some professional. Good question. Does it matter how I put these injectors in, like, because they're numbered?
You got the flow chart?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me see the flow chart.
Okay.
So you want to put the higher flow ones where you get more lean usually. The 1 and 4 gets a little leaner. How the intake manifold is shaped. So yeah, so you want to look at the flow chart, and then see the numbers you have. So you see how It's 160. I mean 760 even. I mean they're almost even. So honestly, at this point, doesn't really matter. But I'll put the 90 in the number 4.
Okay.
Yeah. And honestly, yeah. So if it goes this way, you want to put it on here like that. So get the number 90
I'll put it over
in here. Yeah.
I'm gonna just clip this in like that, or do I have to take this off?
You put that in and then click this in. You want to shove it in here and just click this in where the, or you can just reuse the stock click.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean,
90.
this is only for the safety. You don't need it. What's holding down is the bolts, but you never want this thing to catch on fire or something. You know what I mean? Like that's it. You know.
If you're getting back for fucking tomorrow, you work tomorrow?
Yep.
Oh my god.
No, you go this at that point.
You got 5.
One box is mine. One box is
That was annoying me, yo. Now the question is, do I put it in raw or do I lube it?
What? You spit on it a little bit. I'm gonna guess like just like that, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I need some lubrication.
Yeah, I spit on it.
Real? No, push the rail. Yeah.
Oh.
That's it. We're done.
We're good?
That's it. We're done. All to all, it literally takes 5 seconds. Or 5 minutes. Alright, so we just welded the blow-off valve, as you can see. So Jay just welded that, and it looks pretty good. So we don't have a blow-off valve before, or we added my old turbo, but this one doesn't have it. You can tell. Alright, now this car is almost done with. Now we gotta take the 3.8 off the dyno, and we're gonna put this one on. See what numbers this thing's pushing. So now we're turning my Genesis. We finished up the 3.8 and we're starting the 2.0. 750cc injectors, MX7960 Tomei turbo. Right now they're setting up the dyno setup. They're just setting up the vacuum lines, and then yeah, we're gonna check it out. You're putting the manual boost controller on, right?
No, not yet. Oh, I'm just going straight from the turbo to the actuator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's why you don't want to hook it to the
right off
solenoid.
that.
Yeah.
Fucking slips, bro. Traction can't keep this thing in. Fuck, no, yo, these tires can't even grip.
I know.
Oh man, that's deadly. That is deadly. All right, let's get this. See this. Holy fuck. Yeah.
But it just didn't
Holy, yeah. That was intense.
It didn't kick like I wanted to. You
Yeah.
have really good, not grippy tires. Really
Yeah, I
good,
put Michelin Pilot Sport 4S.
Because
So,
I
yeah.
usually put like 235s in the back.
Oh, okay. I'm
Off
running
the pressure.
255. Yeah. Jeez.
Yeah. I wanted to go like really sideways. but
Yeah. All right, the brakes.
Your brakes are really good.
Yeah, I know.
Woo! But yeah, I really wanted to go sideways, but yours is really good.
It's grippy, yeah.
I clutch it twice.
Yeah. Can we just test the two-step real quick, or is that thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You'll be fine.
How would you do it roughly? You said.
So you'll be in the first gear, obviously
Yeah.
clutch in,
Yeah.
and then the car, it is by the speed sensor. So if the car's moving, it will get out of speed.
Yeah.
The launch control.
Mhm.
So let's say at the light, your first gear in, obviously no brake. Clutch in first gear, and then you'll stomp on it. And then you'll just take off, let off the clutch.
Oh, okay. Damn, that is nice. I love it, man.
I mean,
Yeah.
this is cool.
Yeah.
So yours is this one.
Yeah.
Let me get you the numbers too. And again, like that's you got to add another
Like 14% or so.
14 to honestly, sometimes people even talk about 70%.
Jeez.
17. So
Yeah.
it all depends.
Yeah.
And honestly, today was a perfect day.
Yeah, it was. Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get
But
that.
14's reasonable. You know what I mean?
All right, I'm fine with it. You guys good? Everything's kind of good. You guys gonna tell. You guys gonna feel it in the car. Don't worry. Anyways, man, thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Thank you, man.
Man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man. Thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. All right, man. Take care, man. All right, nice to meet you.
All right, man.
You too, man.
All right. All right, man. Thanks for all the work, man. Yeah. All right, man. SFR. So that was us tuning the car to SFR. We got both the 3.8 and the 2.0 tune, two-step, Korean popcorn, everything. So we're gonna post another videos in the future. We're gonna do our two-step. We're gonna do a launch control. Like it's gonna be nasty. So watch our follow-up video after this. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and watch our future videos.